Look, if you're a lefty, stop fighting with right-handed bolt actions just because you think you have to. Every time you run a standard bolt gun, you're wrestling with your own gear. You break your cheek weld, you lose time on target, and let's be honest, out in the field, that's a liability. The firearm industry seems to forget that 15% of us exist, but I don't. I've gone through the current market to find the 5 single-shot platforms that actually respect the Southpaw. Enough talk. Let's get to work. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Traditions Outfitter G3 Pro. Now, a lot of companies treat left-handed options as an afterthought, but this rig is different. It's built to work for you right out of the box. For a Southpaw, the biggest pain with a hammer-fired gun is trying to reach your thumb over the top of the receiver to cock it. When your adrenaline is pumping and you've got a buck in your sights, that's a disaster waiting to happen. The G3 Pro solves this with dual-knurled hammer extensions that come standard. That means you can easily cock the hammer with your left thumb, all without ever breaking your shooting grip. It's chambered in great straight-wall cartridges like the 350 Legend and 450 Bushmaster, and it tames those heavy rounds with a specialized Lothar Walther barrel. And that barrel is no joke. It's button-rifled and finished with an 11-degree target crown. In simple terms, that crown protects the rifling at the muzzle and makes sure gas escapes evenly, which gives the bullet superior stability downrange. When you squeeze the trigger, it feels like a frozen icicle snapping clean in half, and it measured a consistent 3.5 pounds on my gauge. But let's be real, it has a flaw. The break action on this thing is stiffer than a rusted hinge right out of the box. It takes some serious muscle to crack open, until you've put a few hundred cycles through it to break it in. The recoil, thanks to the muzzle brake, is more of a polite shove than a punch. But man, the blast will rattle your teeth if you forget your ear pro. It's a solid entry-level choice that absolutely gets the job done. But for just a bit more, you can get into American-made craftsmanship that completely rethinks how a lefty should run a break action. That's what we're looking at in our number 4 spot. Stepping up to number 4, we have the Henry single-shot rifle. All right, now we're leaving the budget bin and getting into the world of classic American steel and walnut. This rifle just feels like heritage. Most break actions have a release lever on the side of the receiver. If you're a lefty in a tight tree stand, contorting your hand to hit that lever is a nightmare. Henry fixed this. They put the locking lever right on the top tang, just behind the hammer. You can swing it left or right with your thumb to crack the action open. This is true mechanical neutrality, not just a marketing gimmick. And under the hood, it uses a rebounding hammer. That means the hammer literally cannot touch the firing pin unless the trigger is pulled all the way back. It gets rid of clumsy manual safety buttons that just slow you down. It's available in everything from 223 Remington all the way up to the hard-hitting 4570 Government. When you shoulder this rifle, it feels dense and perfectly balanced, weighing in around 7 pounds for the steel model. The trigger pull is good and clean, and the action locks up like a bank vault door slamming shut. It just screams quality. But here's the deal, and for some of you this will be a massive annoyance. It doesn't have an automatic ejector. It only lifts the spent shell, so you have to pluck it out with your fingers. When you need a fast follow-up shot on a charging hog, trying to pick that brass out feels like an eternity. I know the purists will say it saves your brass, but sound off in the comments below. Would you rather have an ejector that flings that shell over your shoulder when seconds count? The Henry has the soul, but it's a bit stuck in the past with that manual extractor. Coming in at number 3 is a rifle that throws tradition out the window for pure modular performance. Entering the elite tier at number 3 is the CVA Scout XP. Honestly, this rifle is the modular revolution that left-handed shooters have been screaming for. While most single shots are fixed beasts that force you to adapt to them, the Scout XP adapts to you. It has a fluted 416 stainless steel barrel, which shaves off critical ounces while keeping the barrel stiff enough for tack-driving accuracy. And that stiffness matters. It means the barrel vibrates with absolute consistency from shot to shot, which helps shrink your groups down to the size of a quarter, even when the barrel starts to heat up. But the real magic is the stock. It's fully adjustable. You can tweak the length of pull and the cheek weld height on the fly. For a Southpaw who constantly struggles with standard combs, this is a massive advantage. It ensures your eye finds the center of your scope instantly, without any searching. Squeezing the trigger feels like snapping a crisp carrot stick. It's clean, it's predictable, and it comes in at a light 3 pounds. It's available in 350 Legend and 450 Bushmaster, and the recoil feels more like a firm handshake than a punch in the shoulder. But I have to call out the aesthetics. Let's be real, it looks like a tactical Frankenstein. For you wood and steel purists, this rifle has zero soul. It feels utilitarian, cold, and a little front-heavy because of that lightweight stock. The Scout is a precision tool, but it feels like one. At number 2, we're heading into the high country with a rifle that's just as precise, but sheds every ounce possible for the serious mountain hunter. At number 2, we have the Bergara BA-13 Takedown. Okay, now we are getting into serious mountain territory. This isn't just a rifle, it's a ghost in the high country, built for the hunter who hikes 10 miles to take one perfect shot. The biggest complaint for lefties on a break action is the hammer spur digging into your thumb or getting blocked by your scope. Bergara solved this with a reversible hammer spur. You can swap it to the left side in seconds. This means you can work that hammer with your left thumb while keeping your shooting grip locked in tight, which is absolutely critical when you're shivering in a tree stand with gloves on. Under the hood, it features a 416 AISI stainless steel barrel that Bergara is famous for. It's button-rifled and then honed to near perfection. This process makes the bore diameter consistent to within a 10,000th of an inch. That's an insane level of precision, and it's what gives you the confidence for that one long-range shot. It comes in great mountain calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and 308 Winchester, and it breaks down into 2 pieces with the pull of a lever. The trigger snaps like a dry twig under a boot, breaking cleanly right around 4 pounds. But here's the deal. Its lightweight is a double-edged sword. Because this rig only weighs about 6.3 pounds, the recoil in the heavier calibers feels like a swift kick from an angry mule. If you're recoil sensitive, you're going to flinch unless you thread a suppressor onto that muzzle. This is world-class Spanish engineering, but it's still an adaptation. Now, let's look at the undisputed king that was designed for everyone from the start. And finally, sitting alone at number 1, we have the Ruger No. 1. Look, this is not just a rifle, this is royalty. While every other gun on this list is a tool, the No. 1 is an heirloom you pass down to your grandkids. For a Southpaw, this is the holy grail, and here's why. The falling block action is inherently symmetrical. The underlever drops the breech block straight down. It doesn't swing to either side. This means you can operate the action with your left or right hand with equal speed and efficiency, a feat that a bolt action can only dream of. The safety is a top tang slider, located perfectly on the grip's curve, allowing your left thumb to slide it off instantly without shifting your hand or taking your eyes off the buck. It's perfect. It's chambered in legendary cartridges like the 275 Rigby and modern classics like the 6.5 Creedmoor, and it uses a cold hammer-forged barrel that's denser and smoother than standard rifling. When you send a round downrange, the recoil feels like a heavy, deliberate push that soaks up energy like a sponge. But let's be honest, finding one of these is harder than finding a unicorn in the woods these days. Ruger only makes them in limited distributor runs now, which means the price tag can be astronomical, and availability is scarce. You will pay a premium for this level of class, and you might even be afraid to scratch its beautiful wood and blued steel in the brush. So listen, stop compromising just because the industry tends to ignore your dominant hand. If you're hiking the steep ridges and need absolute weight savings, you grab the Bergara BA-13 Takedown and swap that hammer spur. If you're hunting the whitetail woods of the Midwest and need a straight wall rig that fits you like a glove, the CVA Scout XP is the logical choice. If you crave the nostalgia of wood and steel but need a safety that actually works for you, you buy the Henry single shot. But if you want the absolute best, if you want a rifle that defines the art of the single shot, You hunt down a Ruger number 1 and you never let it go. If you want the raw truth without the fluff, you lock it in right here.